Hi salon owners, it's your friend BK, and today we're talking about how to start a salon business and more importantly, how to make it a success. Through my salon software, I've worked with salon owners all over the world. And also I come from a corporate finance background and used to be finance director for many years. So I'm always looking into two things: how to create amazing client experience, an absolute must in beauty industry, and how to keep the numbers working in your favor. And here's what I see all the time: startup costs spiraling out of control, signing a lease that looks perfect but kills cash flow, and opening without a clear pricing strategy. And then realizing too late the numbers don't add up and you can't even cover costs. That's why I created this masterclass. We're going to walk step by step through the exact framework that gives you the best chance to run a profitable salon business. At the end, I'll share my free salon opening checklist and cost calculator. It's the same tool I use with salon owners every week. Grab it below and let's dive in. Step 1. Define your concept and target market. The first mistake I see: owners jump straight into rent and chairs without clear concept. Ask yourself, who am I serving? Why would they choose me? For instance, you can be an organic wellness hair salon with clean products and scalp treatments, or a color bar specializing in hair transformations, or an all-inclusive salon with gender-neutral pricing and a calm, welcoming vibe. Here's the test. Write down your top 5 services and prices. Google hair color plus the city or use Google Keyword Planner. Check: are people searching for these services? What are competitors charging? Your concept isn't just about what you like, it's about what your local market wants and will pay for. Step 2. Licenses, structure, and permits. Nothing glamorous here. Bear with me, do it, don't procrastinate it. So you'll need a cosmetology license for you and your team, a business license and retail permit if you sell products, a business structure. Most new owners choose an LLC just for security, and a business bank account to keep your finance clean. A pro tip from me: talk to a bookkeeper and legal advisor before you launch. They'll make sure your setup is right and taxes are clean, and your payroll won't become a nightmare. Step 3. Choose the right location and salon space. Location is where most salons either win or fail. I've seen owners fall in love with a space: big mirrors, fresh paint, perfect design, but the neighborhood didn't match their ideal clients. 6 months later, they were drowning in rent. Here's what to check before signing. Foot traffic. Sit in a cafe nearby for 2 days and count. Parking. Clients won't fight for a spot. Nearby local businesses like gyms, cafes, boutiques, which is built-in client flow. Rent test. Keep it under 8 to 12% of projected revenue. And a pro tip for you: don't fall in love too fast. A bad lease is the #1 killer of new hair salons. Step number 4. Budget startup costs and equipment. So how much do I really need to open a hair salon? For a 4 to 5 chair salon, a realistic range is 25 to 50K. And here's the breakdown of your costs. Salon equipment and furniture, 15 to 30K, depending whether you're going to use secondhand, buy new, or lease. Build out and signage, 10 to 20K, depending on what you get in the premises, of course. Permits, insurance, licenses, this is like 1 to 3K. Marketing and website, 2 to 5K max. And don't forget about the cash buffer, at least 20% for surprises. And a couple golden rules. Rent, yes, I already said rent, but I'm gonna say it again. It shouldn't be more than 8 to 12% of revenue. Staff, 40 to 50% if commission. Back bar and retail, 10 to 15% of revenue. If the numbers don't work on paper, they won't work in real life. Step number 5. Write a solid salon business plan. And I get it, no one wants to write a business plan, but skipping it is how you end up with full chairs and empty bank accounts. So keep it simple. Executive summary, the helicopter view that basically your business idea makes sense. Market analysis, your target client, competitors, client base. Financial plan, startup costs, projected revenue, break even. Marketing plan, how you will attract and retain clients. One salon owner I knew set her pricing after opening. Within a month, she realized she couldn't even cover costs. A business plan would have flagged that instantly. Want more? Watch my video on Salon business plan. Step 6. Marketing strategy and grand opening. Most owners spend on ads way too early. Here's the smarter path I'd recommend to you. Soft opening. Invite friends, family, locals, and collect at least 20 reviews. Start your Google business profile, add photos, service menu, real prices, social media, reels, testimonials, transformations, before and after pictures, nothing promotes better. Loyalty programs, keep clients coming back. Only then, go for paid ads. Don't spend before you figure out how to position your salon brand online first. And yes, it is possible to do it on your own. I just recently spoke with a stylist and she filled her books in 6 weeks just by doing Google reviews and referrals. Want more? Watch a salon marketing ideas video. Step 7. Build your team and day-to-day operations. The question I hear most: hire stylists or rent chairs? Booth rental. Less risk but less control over staff and your brand. Commission team, more loyalty but higher payroll. Peak early, it shapes your business model. But here's the bigger truth. You cannot run your salon business alone. Payroll, bookings, marketing, retail, no-shows, it will burn you out. That's why we built Zolmi, an all-in-one salon revenue platform. Clients book online, they enjoy a personalized experience, they pay easily and rebook automatically. You protect revenue with deposits, boost retention with loyalty, and grow your brand without juggling 5 tools at once. That's the backbone of smooth operations. Your team focuses on clients, while your salon software gives you the numbers to make smarter decisions. Wrapping up, opening a salon is exciting, but also one of the toughest challenges you'll ever take on. Remember the 7 steps: concept and target market, licenses and structure, location, startup cost and equipment, business plan, marketing strategy, team, and operations. Download the free salon opening checklist and cost calculator below. Stay fabulous, stay sharp, stay focused, and keep building the salon business your clients will love.